Cat's in the tree. It's literally climbing like the highest branch or one of the highest branches. Chasing a squirrel that I don't know disappeared somewhere. Call the fire department. There's a cat. My cat's stuck in the tree. Coming down. Pretty sure it's shitting in the tree. Let's see. Yep, it's definitely shitting. I don't know what makes a cat think to do that. Oh god, it stinks. I just got a whiff of it. Oh god. Can't make it out, man. Cat climbs the tree, takes a shit in the tree. Cat shits in the tree. I don't know what the procedure is for cats shitting in the tree. Yep, time to come down. Let's go. There's a squirrel up there. Tree's pretty high up. It's like a good 10 feet, 15 feet almost. Now it's on a different branch. Alright, you win, cat. You're not on the ground. You win. You hear that?